you could see. Today, visible wealth means almost nothing because anyone can finance the appearance of it. But the instinct to signal never got the memo. So, people still chase the look, even when the look is now cheap to fake and expensive to maintain. There's also social pressure hiding in plain sight. Nobody posts a screenshot of their retirement account quietly growing in the background. Everyone posts the vacation, the new car, the dinner. So the entire online world becomes a highlight reel of spending, and almost nobody sees the invisible discipline that actually built real wealth. You're constantly comparing your bank account to other people's Instagram. Here's the uncomfortable truth this video keeps circling back to. Real wealth is boring. It doesn't photograph well. It looks like the same modest car for 8 years. It looks like cooking at home more than eating out. It looks like a portfolio that grows quietly with zero flashy moments to show off. The people who actually have money often look the least like they do, because they stopped performing for an audience a long time ago. So what's the actual fix here? 3 shifts. First, separate your identity from your possessions. You are not your car. You are not your outfit. The moment you stop needing things to prove your worth, you stop making decisions to impress people you don't even like. Second, spend on what compounds, not what depreciates. A car loses value the second you drive it off the lot. An investment, a skill, a business, these can grow. Redirect even a small percentage of what would have gone toward looking rich into something that actually builds wealth. And the gap between you and everyone else starts widening in your favor. Third, get comfortable being underestimated. This is the hardest one. It means driving the average car while your coworker drives the nice one. It means not immediately upgrading when the raise hits. It's uncomfortable in the moment and incredibly rewarding 10 years later, when the people who looked rich are still working just to maintain the appearance. And you're the one with actual freedom. Looking rich and being rich are 2 completely different games, with 2 completely different scoreboards. One is measured by what people see. The other is measured by what you actually own, free and clear when nobody's watching. If this shifted how you see the whole success image, that's exactly the point. Subscribe for more honest breakdowns on money and mindset, the stuff nobody puts on a highlight reel.